Good morning, everybody. Hey, I put these videos on here about every other day or so. I try to keep them about 10 minutes because I want you guys to be able to, grab yourself a cup of coffee, kick back, and watch a 10-minute video. Or maybe a little more, or maybe a little less. Whatever it is, I hope you enjoy it. Good morning, fellas. Hey, as most of you know, I've been to Sturgis a couple times. Well, my good buddy Cool Whip just put a very good video on there about his first 5 years of going to Sturgis, and I thought it was an awesome video, but I think I'm going to share my first 23 years of Sturgis. So enjoy this next video. I'm just going to throw on bits and pieces, mainly photos of the wonderful people that I went to Sturgis with. Hope you enjoy this next video.
We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home. On iron horses, burning up the roads, living for freedom, no heavy loads. We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home. Like the Pony Express riders and outlaws from long past, riders are coming, riding hard and fast. We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home. Full throttle in the wind, forget the weather, riding wild and free, hell-bent for leather. We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home. From the world all over, these riders hail. One thing's for certain, they delivering mail. We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home. We all share a common home, riding hard, we're coming home.
Here's a song that me and old shit kicker wrote. Mr. Steve Highball. We wrote it last year during the rally. And we've been trying to work it out since. East of Devil's Tower, past the house that's made of stone, you can hear the ghost of settlers from a time so long ago. Hear the hoofbeats in the distance, carried by the wind, just like rolling thunder all throughout this land. Some from California, some from Tennessee, all riding purebred stallions born in Milwaukee, carrying the mail like those riders from the past, on their knuckles, pains and shovels, all breathing high-test gas. Happy Hoyle is riding across the prairie with Billy Bone. Back on a painted pony, played it chrome. Dakota Territory riders, long live on. Long-lost brothers and sisters reunite here once a year. You can hear the shotguns echo, smell the whiskey in the air, feeling nothing but the freedom of the feeling of the wind. Wishing, burning deep inside to be back time and time again. Happy Hoyle is riding across the prairie with Billy Bone. Bareback on a painted pony, played it home. Dakota Territory riders, long live on. Dakota Territory riders, long live on. Dakota Territory riders, long live on.
Boy, oh boy, have I had a good life. We're going back to Sturgis this year. I hope to meet some of you guys out there, some new friends. And these old friends are just awesome. I can't say enough about these guys. But 95% of the people I started riding with no longer ride, either due to they're no longer with us or they just can't do it. So I'm going to enjoy it as long as I can, and I hope to meet as many of you out there as possible. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you enjoyed this one.